Okay, chapter 10 is about chemical bonding. I think we're all aware that AIDS is a big problem. It's a viral drug, and so it's not possible to cure, but we have developed some drugs that will keep it in check. And these drugs were discovered back in 1989, and the reason that we could come up with some drugs is that they determined the structure of HIV protease. This is an enzyme that's required for the HIV virus to replicate itself. So once we knew the structure of the protease, the way the enzymes work is they have this active site where a molecule comes in, almost like a landing port or a lock coming into a key coming into a lock, sorry. Perspective. And then a reaction occurs. And so you can shut down an enzyme by putting something else in there that's going to block the active site. Then the enzyme can't do anything. It's like putting super glue in the lock. You can't get the key in, you can't open it anymore. So it was bonding models that helped scientists narrow down what sorts of drugs might possibly work for this. And so indinavir is a protease inhibitor that will inhibit that enzyme in HIV. What are bonding theories? They're explanations that predict how atoms bond together to form molecules. They will help us understand what combinations of atoms are going to form compounds and what combinations do not form compounds. They help us to predict the formulas of compounds, and they help to explain the shapes of the molecules. And those shapes determine a lot of the physical and chemical properties. There's multiple theories. We're just going to talk about Lewis theory. Lewis theory is the simplest method for making quick, everyday predictions about molecules. It does not work for everything, but it's good enough for Chem 3A.